Hey everyone, this is kind of a weird video. I just got a delivery from Arrow via FedEx, which is come here, hopefully my address is covered, and it is a massive box. So I ordered 18 SAMD21 QFN chips. They're I think 7x7mm, they're about 3 grams each, and I got this big box. And not only is it a massive box, but it's been opened on both ends and retaped. You can see that's even open here and it's been taped with clear tape, and then here as well it's been retaped. But it's also 1.3 kilograms in weight, and I don't understand what this is. Like 18 chips is what I ordered on tape. 18 chips on tape. So I'm going to open this up on video. I have not seen inside it yet, and I cannot understand what this could possibly be. Even if they sent it to me on a tray instead of on tape, which is possible, why is it such a big box, and why is it 1.3 kilograms? Because even on a tray, I don't even know how many are held in a tray, maybe 150. I'd expect half a kilo or less. So let's find out what they've sent me, shall we? And just to confirm the weight, as you can see, 0 grams. Here it is. Put it down. 1.238. So just under 1.3 kilograms for this box. Okay, let's open it up. I've never had a package arrive from anywhere before that's been opened. And as you can see here, it's been opened and taped. And it's been... yeah, it's been opened here and taped. So it's got brown tape on it, and then it's got... unless they just reused a box that was open and this is how they taped it before they shipped it, but I can't believe for a second that that's how they shipped the box. Anyway, so let's open it up and find out what is inside, shall we? I am perplexed as to what could possibly be in here. Oh my gosh, they've sent me 2 boxes of trays. 2 boxes of trays for 18 chips. What the... whoa! Quantity 5. Quantity 13. You have got to be kidding me. Why would they send me 2 trays, one with 13 and one with 5 chips in it? No way. Is this just someone being lazy? I didn't cut my couch. I can't even see where the chips are. Have to be careful not to open this upside down. I'm pretty sure that's the right way up. Should just grab some scissors. Holy moly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is again closer. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chips in a whole tray. Which means the other one's got 13 chips in it. Why has someone done that? Why have they sent me 2 trays? That is such a waste. An environmental waste. Not only have they wasted trays, it's probably cost them a fortune to ship it because of its weight and size. 2 lots of boxes, 2 lots of wrapping, 2 lots of bubble. That is just insane. That's just laziness as far as I'm concerned. So now I have 18 chips and 2 trays. Boy, I'm speechless. So I've been accused in the past of being quite wasteful, either wasting unnecessary quantities of PCBs or wasting 3D prints or other things. I don't know, I can't even remember. It's been quite a few times I've been called wasteful. But that takes the cake, absolutely. To me that's just pure laziness. To ship out 18 chips that I ordered on tape not on a tray, and send it to me in trays, but 2 trays with 5 in one and 13 in the other. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. That's just pretty crazy. I am going to send an email to Arrow. I know they're going to say this. They're going to say, look, it's just, that's what was in their warehouse and it was just easier to just grab them and ship them and rather than join them together, but definitely not good for the environment. Okay, that's it. It's a weird one for the channel, I know, but I was just perplexed why I got a 1.2 kilogram box by FedEx that had been pre-opened for 18 tiny little 7x7mm ICs that weigh about 3 or 4 grams each. And now I know. Okay, thanks for watching. Catch you later. Bye.